this show, Commonscope Dreams, is about what could be some kind of common statement for all human beings, what it means to be a human being among all our different origins, different history. What is the meaning to be a human being? Love. The piece, I mean the main piece in the show is this installation called Colonial Spines, and then it was done to relate a history about the village in Namibia called Commonscope, in German Commonscope, and then this village is a link between Germany and Africa. That's a history. And then why German was there? Of course, to having fun. And then maybe behind the fun, maybe there's something not really enjoyable. So it's a fact. So how to talk about, let's say, the shadow behind the light, and how to bring the shadow together with the light, and then to build something linked with human beings, something harmonious. See what I mean? So this piece is how to share different history in the same page, in the same layer. That's it. So I don't have to maybe to go to explain whatever, because from the title, maybe people can really get through the history and maybe try to dream as their own wish. You know, that's it. No, maybe yes, it was a trip, but let's say more like, as I just say, something linked with our history. I did some kind of virtual dream in our past as human beings. But I chose this line, this route, talking about the presence of Germany in Namibia, in the past time in Namibia, in this place, who was some kind of a meeting point between, let's say, our local culture with some foreign culture. See what I mean? And then from this, there was something happened. I just tried to show, let's say, the rest of what happened on this time. And then this rest is very diverse. It's not possible to explain like, this is not mathematics, you know. It's something you have to feel it. That's it. It's difficult for me to play the game of intellectual game. You know, those words is too big for me, because each word each sentence have its explanation. So I'm just trying to play the game of the stupid one, who just listen and try to do his best to be a human being. See what I mean? So I don't really want to get through this big statement, you know, who look more like some kind of fashion statement. I'm not sure I'm ready to wear this kind of costume. I'm not sure. I mean, colonization, but what means colonization? It's not something only physical. It's also something internal, something also mental. You see what I mean? So it's so difficult just to talk about colonization like by using like a political sentence. You know, it's a posture. It's something we sometimes we live with without knowing. You see what I mean? So I mean, but I was just looking the way how to be able to talk about something difficult by using simple words. You know, and then because of course behind every shadow there are the light. Behind every light there is shadow. But how to bring all those parts together to bring something beautiful, you know. Of course, this kind of colonization, I mean, let's say political, geographic occupation, of course, it's not always something very beautiful to talk about. But when people travel to do something, I don't think that they really travel to do bad things. It's only what happened after could be bad. It depends how we look about this. I mean, and then I'm asking myself if it's possible today to talk about all this, let's say, disgusting thing you used to do as political, as environmental, as whatever. Is it possible to find a way to talk about this as a human being? Wherever you come from, whoever you are, see what, that's the point actually. Okay, I could explain this. This is a sculpture installation using beautiful wall to sell my shit, but it's not the point. It's how to bring people maybe to feel something, if it's possible, or to take their own time to build their own structure of thinking. That's it. This is the meaning of what I'm doing. Just open the page and left people reading. Just making a structure and left people claiming. This is my point of view. So that's love. I'm talking about love. That's it.